guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you guys are finding my videos helpful. Also, today I'm going to talk about meditation. Now yes, it is the sequel video of the one that I posted earlier. It was on depression. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go and check the description box. I'll provide the link down there. So today I'm going to talk about how meditation can help cope with depression. So yes, let's get into the video.
The aim of meditation is not to put aside stress or block out negative thinking, but rather to notice those thoughts and feelings, all the while understanding that you do not have to act on them. With practice, meditation can help many people control how they react to stress and anxiety that often leads to depression. Meditation alone won't make your symptoms vanish, but it can make them more manageable. Here's how. Point number 1. Antidepressant for anxiety and depression. For a depression sufferer, the two highly important and critical brain chemicals, serotonin and norepinephrine levels get too low, which result in feeling overwhelming sense of sadness and consequently becoming depressed. Medication like antidepressant is prescribed in such condition, but the problem that arises with antidepressant varies from its potential side effect to dependency, and also that they don't work for many people. Thankfully, there is an ultra-powerful, time-tested and all-natural solution. As countless studies show, with meditation, you can boost both serotonin and norepinephrine to healthy depression-resistant level naturally. In effect, meditation creates within your brain a sort of neurochemical utopia where depression is unable to survive. Would you rather take a pill for temporary happiness or be truly and permanently happy with meditation? Point number 2. The anxiety and depression center of the brain. Another brain region associated with depression is the amygdala or the fear center. This is the part of the brain responsible for the fight or flight response, which triggers the adrenal gland to release the stress hormone cortisol in response to fear and perceived danger. Unnecessarily, you trigger your fight or flight response, fueling depression. The fear center responsible leads to a spike in cortisol level to fight a danger that's only in your mind. Also, this results in worked off and inflamed amygdala. What is the best way to cool off an overheated amygdala forever selling depression? Well, it's meditation. Esteemed Harvard neuroscientists examined the brain of freshly minted meditation practitioners before and after an 8-week mindfulness class. What did they find? Incredibly, their depression center amygdala had actually managed to shrink in size, while also being far less electrically active. In other words, faster than the light switch in your living room, meditation effectively turns off the most critical brain region involved in depression. Point number 3. Meditation solves the psychology of depression. Scientists estimate the number of human thoughts at around 50,000 per day, meaning a negative depressed mind can literally generate dozens of pessimistic thoughts per minute. While we all have the type of thinking from time to time, the difference is the depressed mind's sheer volume and the level of bombardment. It is easy for the mind to get taken downstream against its will. It is easy to see why so many depressed people feel paralyzed. Then what's the solution? The very best mental thought elixir. Luckily, meditation fixes all of the above. Depression is rooted in fears about the future and regrets about the past. Focusing on the moment, not the past or the future, is the secret behind meditation power. Meditation will restore your present mind focus, allowing you to see the beautiful moment-to-moment unfolding of life, keeping everything from getting stable. By opening your mind up to a whole new world of stimuli, meditation makes even the most mundane life full, fresh and alive. When this happens, depression simply fades away. Point number 4. Meditation makes us whole again. Depression comes from a feeling of being incomplete. Modern society has a habit of mindlessly pursuing material and superficial things under the false pretense of not having enough. When we believe that we lack something, it means that we are in some way incomplete. In our pursuit to regain wholeness, we exhaust our mental and emotional energies reserves. What happens next? The disconnect gave us feel jaded, develop addictions, sleep too much or too little, and become disintegrated in life. Depression at its dirtiest. If every cell in your body seeks balance, then what is the ultimate source of balance? Meditation. Do you suffer from this too? Then start practicing meditation today. What are you waiting for? Once you achieve this super beneficial state on a daily basis, you will feel a deep sense of calmness while still being alert and full of energy. Your mood will be naturally positive, your muscles will be free of tension, your mind will be focused yet relaxed. Freedom from depression is a natural product of this higher level of mindset. Point number 5. Depression weakens the brain, meditation builds it back up. A 1996 research study shows that hippocampus, a brain region that known for memory loss and disorientation, was remarkably underdeveloped in depressed brain as compared to normal brain. Moreover, the effect was amplified by time. Luckily, there is a very powerful solution. Numerous studies show time and again meditation practitioners to have highly developed, well-formed hippocampi, with one 2007 study by University of Gießen, Germany, finding a one-to-one relationship with number of years meditation experience and the overall hippocampal gray matter density. In other words, the more meditation you do, the bigger and stronger your hippocampus, elevating your brain higher and higher above the dark valley of depression. Meditation has been building calm, focused, happy brains for centuries, now proven by science. Point number 6. Brainwave pattern. Meditation stimulates the same brainwave that doctors use to treat depression. Everything that you are, from your biological makeup to your emotions, thoughts, mood, etc., can be directly measured by the brainwave patterns, including depression. What if it was possible to upgrade the depressed brainwave pattern to the healthiest, happiest, most mentally balanced state? Yes, you can. One of the countless reasons neuroscientists have studied their magnificent brain is meditation, having increased both the theta and alpha brain waves. The secret to super advanced, highly focused, well-balanced, depression-free brainwave pattern meditation has been creating the healthiest of brains since the dawn of time. Are you still thinking whether or not you should sit to meditate? Trust me, the benefits are countless that I can put in this single video. Point number 7. Meditation builds up the prefrontal cortex, known as the brain overall thought orchestrator, CEO, and emotional control command center, the prefrontal cortex. This brain region is super important for depression sufferers and normal people as well. In a depressed person, emotional regulating left prefrontal cortices are found to be remarkably underdeveloped when compared to other brain regions. Can you guess which brain region of meditations are incredibly well built? You got it, the left prefrontal cortex. The more you practice meditation, the stronger and better your prefrontal cortex, the greater your emotional well-being and balance. If you want to rewire your brain for happiness, effectively freeing yourself from the chain of depression, then meditation is priority number 1. Scientists agree meditation is the number 1 brain changer. So what's the best way to build a better brain? Backed by thousands of studies, meditation is the neuroscientific community's most proven way to upgrade the human brain.
So yes guys, with this we have come to the end of today's video. If you found this very informative, do not hesitate to share. Also, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also press the little bell icon there so that you get notified each time I post a new video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.